Welcome all of you in e-learning class department of Panchkarma. How are you student? Hope you all are doing well there with your family. Today topic is Abhyantar Snehapana. In previous lecture we have learnt about external application of Snehan like Abhyang, Udvartan and its applications, indications, contraindications, how will applied it will on patients, etc. So we will start this lecture with this श्लोक स्नेह सार्वयम पुरुष प्राणस्य स्नेह भूयिष्ठा स्नेह साध्यस्य भवन्ति मीन्स ये शरीर स्नेह का सार है और स्नेह में प्राण निवास करते हैं। मीन्स हम दूसरे शब्दों में इसको समझें कि शरीर पूरा बहुत सारी सेल से बना होता है और सेल्स की जो लेयर है वो लिपोप्रोटीन से बनी होती है। मीन्स वो स्नेह से बनी होती है। So how actually Sneha works? There are three major works done by Sneha. First one, Sneho Anilamanti means pacification of Vata, Vata Analoman. Second one is Mradu Karoti Deham means bring softness in our body. And third and last one is Vinihanti Shangam means it clean all channels. Now classification of Snehana Karma. The Snehana Karma has many types based on different type of functions. First one is Bahy and Abhyanta means internal and external oleation. In continuation of classification, Sneha Dravya can be classified in two parts on the base of origin. First one is Sthavar means plant based origin. Second one is Jangam means animal origin. And based on property, there are four types: घृत, तेल, वसा, मज्जा. एच पर चरक संहिता सर्पी तेलम वसा मज्जा सर्व स्नेहो उत्तमा मता येषु च उत्तमम सर्पी संस्कारास्यनु अनुवर्तना. The process which produces sneha vishandan mridata and kledata is called snehanakarma. Qualities of sneha dravya. There are many qualities like drav, sukshma, sar, snigdha, pikchil, guru, Sital, Mand and Mradu. Drava means liquidity, Sukshma means minuteness, which are capable to penetrate deep till cellular level. Sar means spreading nature, Snigdha means unactous, Pichil means sticky, slimy, Guru means heavy, Sital means cold, Mand means slow, Mradu means smooth. द्रव सूक्ष्मं सर स्निग्धं पिक्षल गुरु शीतलम प्रायो मंद मृदु च यद द्रव्यम तत् स्नेहम मतम. एच पर चरक संहिता सूत्र स्थान 22. Indications of Snehana Karma. Following types of patients are suitable for Sneha Karma. स्वेद्या शोधयेतव्याश्च रुक्षावात विकारिणा व्यायाम मध्य स्त्री नित्य स्नेहाशु ये च चिंतका. एच पर चरक संहिता सूत्र स्थान. Patient which have indicated for Svedana, Sansodhana, Ruksha, having Vatvikar, having Vyayamanitya, having Madhyanitya, having Istri Nitya, having Chintaka, Vriddha, Bala, Apala, Krisha, Chinasara, Chinaritasa, Shandana, Timira, Daruna, Pratibodhina, etc. In brief, we can do Isnian in following conditions. First one is degenerative disorder of joints. Second one is skin disorders. Third one is psychiatric illness. Fourth one is neurological diseases. Fifth one is immune pathogens. Sixth one is myopathies and gynecological disorders. Now contraindications of स्नेहन therapy. संशोधनार्थार्थी येषां रुक्षणं संप्रवक्ष्यते न तेषां स्नेहनं सस्तम् उत्सन्नकफमेधसाम् अविषण्य आननगुदा नित्यं मन्दाग्निशीये तृष्णामूर्छा परिताश्च गर्भिणाश्च तालुशोषेण अन्नदविषश्छर्दयन्तु जठरागमनमर्दिता दुर्बलाश्च प्रतान्ताश्च स्नेहग्लाना मदातुरा न स्नेहाया वर्तमानेषु न नस्तो बस्ति कर्मसु स्नेहपानात् प्रजायन्ते तेषां रोगा सुधारणा. As per Charak Samhita, patient who have ruksha उत्सादन कफ उत्सादन मेद अविषण्य आनन आना गुदा मंदाग्नि तृष्णा मूर्छा गर्भिणी तालुशोष अनन्नावेद छर्दी गर अर्दित आम अर्दित दुर्बल स्नेहग्लानि मदातुर अजीर्ण तरुण ज्वर बस्ती कर्म अरुचि वमिता वर्तिका अकाल पशुता उदर रोगी उरस्तंभ अतिसार आर्दा not suitable for स्नेहन कर्म. In brief, in following condition स्नेहन therapy is contraindicated. First one is patient with mandagni. Second one is disease of kapha anubandha. Third one is disease of meda anubandha. Sneha therapy can be administered only when there is a good Agni Dipti, there is a Srota Sodhana. For this purpose, Deepan Pachan, Rukshan, Aushadhi are given before Snehana Karma. Here are some examples of Deepan Pachan drugs. In Churn section, we can use Tirakatu Churn, Panchakola Churn, Nagaradi Churn, Pajmodadi Churn, Vaiswanar Churn. In Kasai section, we can use Dasmula Kwat, Nagaradi Kwat, Rasanadi Kwat. In Vati section, we can use mostly Chitrakadi Vati and Agnitundi Vati. Whole Panchkarma can be divided in three parts. First one is Purva Karma, second one is Pradhana Karma, third one is Paschat Karma. In a Purva Karma or before going to Purva Karma, we can use Deepan and Pachan drugs for Amic condition, and in Purva Karma we will perform Isnyan and Swedan. In Pradhana Karma we will perform 5 types of main procedure like Baman, Virechan, Basti, Nas and Raktamokshan. And in Paschat Karma we have planned diet and Ahar and Vihara. And now Deepan Pachan Chikitsa. Why Deepan Pachan Chikitsa is necessary before Purva Karma? It has enhanced the Agni or digestion power. It clears the Srotas channels. It induced absorption and efficacy of drug. It reduced the risk of complication. In those specific conditions, the Deepan Pachan drug can be changed. In Vata predominance, we can use Panchkola Fant. In Pathic predominance, we can use Jiraka Churn. In Kapha predominance, we can use Trakatu Churn. And in Sula Pradhana Roga, we can use Agnitundi Vati. And now Sneha Karma work as a Purva Karma for Sodhanarth and external and internal use as per Abhyang and internalization. Localized or systemic action, we can use it on local or systemic. Different mode of administration, nourish body and mind. Choice of Grat as per dosic predominance. As explained by Susru Samhita in Chikitsa Sthan 31 chapter, Kevalam Pattike Sarpi Vatike Lavanaanvitam Deyam Bahu Kape Chapi Pyosa Char Samanyutam. Means in Vatic predominance we can use Grat with Lavan. In Pathic predominance we can use only Grat, and in Kapha predominance we can use Grat with Byosh. Types of Sneha as per dosic condition. In Vatic predominance we can use Vasa Majja especially In Vata Kapha disorder, we can use Tela Sneha, and in Pitta and Vata predominance, we can use Grata especially. Now, different types of properties of different Sneha Karma. First of all, we will learn about Grata. As explained by Charak Samhita and Sutristan 13 chapter, घृत एज सर्पी तेल वसा मज्जा सर्व स्नेहो उत्तमा मता ऐसु चैव उत्तमं सर्पी संस्कारस्यु अनुवर्तना means due to संस्कारस्य अनुवर्तन सर्पी is the best among all स्नेह द्रव्य. The properties of घृत is घृत पित्त अनिलहर रस शुक्र ओजसाहितम निर्वापणम मृदुकरम स्वर वर्ण प्रसादनम वात पित्त प्रकृतयो वात पित्त विकारिणा चक्षुकामा क्षतचीणा वृद्धा बाल तथा अबला आयु प्रकर्ष कामस्य बल वर्ण स्वरार्थिना पुष्टि कामा प्रजा कामा सौकौमार्यस्य थेनये दीप्तियोज स्मृति मेधाग्नि बुद्धि इंद्रिय बलार्थिना पिबेयो सर्पी आर्तास्य दाह शस्त्र विषाग्निवि मीन्स घृत इज मधुर संस्कारस्य अनुवर्तनम Jamadev च Silanath administered in Sarad Ritu. Those who have desire for longevity, Val Varna, Swara, Pushti, Smriti, Meda, Dhi, Agni, etc. Raghrati is the best for them. Now properties of Tel. Sarvesham Tel Jatanam Tila Tela Visheshyati Balarthi Snehana Chem Arandam Tu Virechane means among us to all oils Til Tel is the best, but for the purpose of Virechana, Aranda Tel is the best. Due to Kat Usna Telam Arandam, Bath Sles Maram Guru, Kathai Sadhu Tiktasya Yojtam Pintatrija. The properties of oil are as per Charak Samhita, Martoganam, Nacha Sles Vardhanam, Balavardhanam, Twakcham Usnam Istritanam, Telam Yoni Visedanam. Means the oil is Martoganam means Vata pacifier, it brings Slesum Vardhan, Balavardhanam, it is skin friendly, Usna in nature, Istirkaram in body, Yoni Vishodhana. Pravardha Sles Medaska, Chal Sthul Galodara. The indications of oil in especially in Pravardha Sles Medaska, Chal Sthul and Galodara type patient. Vaat Vyadi, especially in Vaat Vyadi Virishta, Vaat Prakrtasya and Vaat Prakrti Bal Tanuttam Lagutam Dartam Istragatratam. The oil is best for bring Bal, Tanuta, Laguta, Dhanata, Istragatrata, Isnigdha Selakshana Tanuktam Yecha, Kankchitam Dehina, Krami Kosta, Kuru Kosta, Nadivi Ardita. The patient who have Krami in Kosta, Krur type of Kosta, and Nadi Ardit type of disease, oil is the best for them. The season of oil administration is Seetal Kal. So in brief we can say Madhura Rasa Usna Guna administration in Pravar and Seetakal. Pravarda Slesma and Medasa in Krami Coast, in Krur Coast, those who have desire for Bal Laguta etc. Tila Tela is the best. In continuation of properties of Sneh Karam, now Vasa. As per Charak Samhita, the person who have with Bhagna Brashta Yoni, Karn Siro Ruja, Poroso Upche Sne, Vyayama Cheshate Vasa, बात आतपसह ये च रुक्षा भारदु कर्षिता संस्कुस रेतो रुद्रा निष्पीत कफ मेदस अस्थि संधि सिरा स्नायु मर्म कोष्ठ महारुज बलवान मारुतो येषां खाने चावृत तिष्ठति मह च अग्निबलम येषां वसा सात्मश्च ये नरा तेषां स्ने व्यायाम वसा पान विद्यते. In brief, we can say the vasa is the best for having best Agni Bala, Ruksha Akinchada, emaciate from weightlifting, coitus and excessive walking, Sandhi Asti Marma Kosta Roja, having Vata Avran and Vasa Satme. Vasa is best Snehan Dravya for them. Last but not least, the property of Majja as per Charak is Diptagniya Klesasa Gasmara Isneha Sebina Vatartha Krur Kostasha Isneha Majja Mapniyu Yebyo Hito Yoyo Isneha Se Parikirta Bala Sukra Rasa Salesma Medo Majja Vivardhanam Majja Visesato Astanam Che Balkarti Sneha Ita. In brief, we can say Majja is the indicative for the patient who have Diptagni, Kilesasa hai, Krura Kosta, Sneha Sevi, those who have desire of Bala Sukra, Majja Asti, Vardhana, Majja is best for. Types of Abhyantar Snehapanan practices. There are many types, but we can categorize them into three types. First one is Akshi Sneha, second one is Pravicharna Sneha, third one is Asadhya Sneha. In Akshi Sneha means the Snehana administered without any medications. In Pravicharna Sneha, the Snehana Dravya administered with different types of food recipe. And third and last one, Sadhya Sneha means administrator of Sneha without any preparations. Now Akshay Snehapan. Intake of a large quantity of Sneha Dravya without mixing with any other materials. Taking large quantity of Sneha after the digestion of previous night meal. But if Sneha is taken during Chudakal, it does not serve the purpose of Sodhan because of Deeptagni. Now, who have suitable or non-suitable for Akshay Sneha? As per Susrut Samhita, Chikitsa Sthan 31, स्नेह सात्म्य क्लेशसह काले नाते उष्ण शीतले अक्षमेव पिबेते स्नेहम अक्षपानम ही पूजतम. Means the person who have suitable for Achi Sneha is Sneha Satmi, Klesha Saha, Nati Sita, Osna Kala, and contraindication are Sneha Dveshi, Shama, Mradu Kosta, Sneha Madhya Nitya. So, we will continue this lecture in next class. Thank you for now. Thank you very much.